Good morning everyone. Welcome to back in our maths class. Students, let us learn. Today we are going to take that word problem. Subtraction word problem. See this, all of you open this textbook page number 59. Already on that page there are all word problems solved. Then today we are going to take revision. So let's see, start. Read this question first. There are 175 trees in Maharaja Park and 268 in Sayaji Park. How many more trees are there in Sayaji Park than there are in Maharaja Park? See these students, you know that subtraction word problem means than, less than, more than. See this, and difference. See, it is called subtraction. See, first of all of you read this word problem properly. And what is given in that word problem? See this, what is given in this question. See, here 175 trees in Maharaja Park and 268 in Sayaji Park. See this, 175 trees less than 268. Okay, means that less trees, which are these? Less trees in Maharaja Park and more trees are there in Sayaji Park. Okay, already see, solve this word problem. Look at this, there are more trees in Sayaji Park. First of all, we are going to write these numbers in the place value chart. See this, first it's very important. Then see, we have solve this. See this, from their number we shall subtract the number of trees in Maharaja Park. Means that we shall subtract the number which is, see this, on topper we have to write big number. Then we have to subtract this number. First of all, here 268 minus 175 means that 268 trees in Sayaji Park and 175 trees in Maharaja Park. And how many more trees are there in Sayaji Park? See, find out the answer. Okay students, do this subtraction. Here we have at the ones column, means units column, 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Then we are going to add the tens column. See this tens column, 6 minus 7 means 6 tens minus 7 tens cannot possible. Then what we do? See this, we are going to take that 100 from 200s. Then see, 2 become 1 and 6 become 16. Then 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. Then see, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So here is find the answer 93. Means that more trees are there. How many? 93. Okay students. So simple, that already over also. So today we are going to take that revision only. See this next word problem. There were some books in a bookshop. See, there were some books in a bookshop. The shopkeeper bought 125 more. Means that already in a bookshop some books are there. Then now there are 234 books in the shop. See, first of all, in this shop some books were there. Then the shopkeeper bought again 124 more books. Then how now total books are there? 234. Means that how many were there in the beginning books. See this, what to be find out here, what is given that, see total books are given and see shopkeeper bought more books. Means we have to find out beginning books are there, how many were there. So see this 234 minus 125. Let us see here, done here. See, look at this 109 books. Means that the shopkeeper had 109 books in the beginning. Okay students, let's see. Next we are going to take that next word problem. Let us see, only revision. I have told to you again and again. See this, how we will solve this subtraction. See this here, next word problem. There are 350 girls and 215 boys in a school. Okay, how many more girls are there than boys? Means here 350 more girls. See this, means that more number this, and 215 boys. Means here which is bigger number? 350. Means that more girls, 350. Okay, see this and find the answer. How many more girls are there than boys? See this, finding answer also here. Look at this, 350 minus 215. Then see 135. It's finally answer. Means that there are 135 girls more than boys. See this. Now next will be students. Let us take next word problem. See, Mary had 500 rupees. See, Mary had 500 rupees. She bought books worth 275 rupees. How much money will be left with her? See this, finding the answer. How much money will be left with her? See this here, what is given? There are total rupees 500. Then see, Mary had, see this, Mary bought books worth rupees 275. Means that how many rupees left with her? See, finding the answer. See, first of all we are going to that numbers write in the place value chart properly. Okay, then see 500 minus 275 is equal to 225. Means there 225 were left with Mary. Understood this question? See this students. Next will be here. Look at this. It's very important. Here is given some information and make word problem of your own and solve them. See, here is students given one example also. So information is given, beads with Aman. Means that Aman has 325 beads. And beads with Sulbha. See this, Sulbha has 150 beads. Then how we will make this word problem of subtraction students? See, there is given, see problem. Aman has 325 beads and Sulbha has 150. Okay, how many more beads should Sulbha take so that they will both have an equal number of beads? Or see this, like that also, Aman has 325 beads and Sulbha has 150 beads. Then how many more beads are there than the Sulbha? See, how many more beads, see, are there than Sulbha? Means that Sulbha has less beads and see, Aman has more beads. Like that also we have solve this problem. Make this, means Aman has 325 beads and Sulbha has 150 beads. Then how many more beads? How many more beads are there than sulbas. Okay. See this, like that way we are going to solve this word problem. Then see students, next will be, we can see here, next here is given information. Let us see next. See here is, using the given information, make word problem of your own and solve them. Let us see here 257 beads and 300 beads. First, students, see here, we are going to solve this word problem. Okay students, see this. First, see right here, what is this? Right here, what is given? That 257 beads and 300 beads. See this, what is given? 257 beads and 300 beads. 300 beads. Okay, here only. Let's see students, here is giving information and make word problem and subtract them. Means that make word problem of your own word. See this, here is given 257 beads and 300 beads. Then we are going to make that problem. See this, how we will make this word problem. See this, Sonu had 300 beads. 300 beads with her. With her. She made a necklace. She made a necklace with 257 beads. How many beads? How many beads remain with her? See this, like that way we have to make word problem in your own word. Okay, then see and solve them. Means that, see, 300 minus 257. Okay students, look at this here. See that 300 minus 257. Let us see here students, here at the ones column 0 and 7. Means that, see, 7 units cannot be subtracted from 0 units. Means that unity a 10. Means that, but there also 0 in the tens place. So unity 100 and obtain 10 tens. Okay, and obtain 10 units. Means that 0 it will become 10. See this, here also 0 it will become 10. Then 3 become 2. See this, now here 10, we are going to take here 1, so here 9. Then see, now 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 9 minus 5, see this, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. And 2 minus 2, 0. Like that way we have solved this word problem. Means that finally answer 43 beads remain with Sonu. Okay, means that complete this word problem. Okay students, like that way. See this given information, then we are going to make the word problem of subtraction. Okay students, see this next will be, here is given, see this 188 mango trees. See second, 188 mango trees and 275 guava trees. Okay, then we have make the word problem in your own word. See this first, means that how we will make this word problem. Okay students, see here, write this and solve this. See students, here there are 188 mango trees and 275 guava trees in an orchard. ORCHARD. How many more guava trees? How many more guava trees are there than mango trees? See and give question mark. Sorry, see this, write this again. There are 188 mango trees and 275 guava trees in an orchard. How many more guava trees are there than mango trees? Okay students, then see, solve this word problem. How we will solve this? Here 275 minus 188. See this, we cannot subtract 8 units from 5 units. So we are going to take that 110 from 7. Means 7 it will become 6 and 5 become 15. Now 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Then again tens column. See, 8 tens we cannot subtract from 6 tens. So we are going to take that 100 from 2. Means 2 become 1 and 6 become 16. Now see this 8 tens subtract from 16. Means here will become 8 and 1 minus 1 0. Means that there are, see this, there are 87, see this, there are 87 more guava trees than mango trees. See students, it's very simple. All of you solve this and make this word problem. See, I have told to you. See this. Now next will be, see this, 168 rupees and 622 rupees. Okay students, here what is given? 168 rupees and see, here is given 622 rupees. Means that how we will make this word problem. See this, all of you look at this. See here, write this. Make this problem. Raju had 622 rupees. If he bought a chair for rupees 168. See, let's see students here. Raju had 622 rupees. If he bought a chair for rupees 168, how many rupees? See, how many rupees does he have left? See these students, how many rupees he have left. Let us see, solve this. Now here 622 minus 168 and find the answer. Now let us see here, we have at the ones column, units column 2 and 8. We cannot subtract 8 units from 2 units. So unity to tens means that take from 110. See this, means 2, it will become 1 and here 2, it will become 12. Now 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Okay. Now again see, 110 means that 6 tens we cannot subtract from 110. So we are going to take 100 from 6, means 6 become 5 and 1 become 11. Now 6 tens subtract from 11 tens. Then see 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Means here will become 5. Okay students. Means that next will be, see this, 500 minus 1. Okay. See, here will be 400. So here, see, how many rupees left? See this, how many rupees does he have left? 454 rupees does he have left. Okay, understood this? Like that way we are going to make word problem of subtraction. Okay, let us see students next different word problem. See this. See this students. If 18 pages 18 pages of a 300 pages page book, 300 page book were read on the first day. On the first day. How many on the first day? How many pages are left unread? See, and give here question marks. See this also. Look at this. If 18 pages means there are books, and in that books 300 pages. Then in first day 18 pages are read. Means that how many left? See how many pages are left? Unread. Okay. Now see this. Next. If, see this word problem, make this word problem. If children have borrowed 356 of the 542 books in a library. How many are left? See, then give question marks. See this simple only word problem. Then see here, next will be Sai had rupees 645. She spent rupees 328 to buy notebooks. How many rupees? Does she have left? And give their question marks. Okay. Then see again. Let us see here. Look at this. There are 932 sacks of wheat and 750 sacks of jawar in a godown. Okay. How many lace are the sacks? How many lace are the sacks of jawar than those of wheat. Those of wheat. Then give question mass. See this, like that way we are going to write this word problem of subtraction. Then see, now next will be, say, a fruit seller has 324 hapus mangoes. And 268 pyri mangoes. How many less pyri mangoes has he than hapus mangoes? Give question mass. Okay, like that way we are going to solve word problem. Thank you students. Write in your notebook.